Hi, this is English 9A Credit 4 for the Hunger Games, Lesson 3. In this portion, you need to have read 48 through 102 for the first part of this lesson. So that is up until all the way through chapter 7 for this first portion of this lesson, okay? So when you've read those pages, you can come back and check that. If you've read them, go ahead and check that box for yourself. And then these are the questions for this portion of the book, okay? Number 1, what is the purpose of the beautification and elaborate fancy costumes for the opening ceremonies of the Hunger Games? And they help you out here. They give you the page numbers. So if you're going to page 61 through 72 is where you should find that answer. That's a really helpful tip for you. Number 2, how does Katniss know the red-haired Avix on pages 70 through 78? Why might this be an important detail? Okay, how is that important? And give your best guess. And then number 3, look back at the section when Katniss met her beauty team, starting on page 61. What does this information tell us about the values and the culture of the capital? Okay, so if they're beautifying her and changing her outfit and having her do her hair and makeup, or having a team to do it for her, that kind of tells you what the values and the culture of the capital are. Okay, so put that into your own words. Give your teacher a couple sentences for number 3. Okay, and then move on to credit number 4. How does the existence of Avixes further demonstrate that Panem is a dystopia? What was your reaction to reading about the Avixes? Okay, and this one also you need a couple sentences. So again, what is your reaction? So the first part of this question is, how does the existence of the Avixes further demonstrate that Panem is a dystopia? And then what is your reaction? Okay, and then for number 5, do you think that Katniss' performance for the game makers hurt or helped her? Explain. Okay, again, go back to the pages if you need help answering that question. Okay, so this is the first half of this lesson. The second half of this lesson, you need to be reading pages 103 through 147. So if you haven't read those pages, you need to pause and go ahead and read those pages and then come back. If you have read those pages, you're going to check that you've read those pages. Okay, and you're going to answer the following questions. So for number 6, examine Katniss' flashback about Gale on page 109 through 112. What are some words and clues the author uses to indicate to the reader that this scene is a flashback to a previous moment? Okay. And make sure you are using quotes from the book to help you answer that one, okay? And then number 7, what is the purpose of this flashback? What insight or background does it provide the reader about Katniss and her relationship with Gale? Okay, and then number 8, how does this flashback help explain why Katniss feels betrayed by Peeta? Okay, and so it looks like you'll find all of these answers within this page range right here, 109 through 112. And when you are done with this portion, you are done with the first half of the reading of this book. The next half of the book will be for credit 5. So the remainder of this credit, you have the mastery check and the performance task. But